back to another video. This video is gonna be on, I was thinking about doing a blown out style. I was gonna do a twist out, but I was just like, no, so I'm doing a braid out. That's what we're doing today. Okay, so I already shampoo, condition, and deep condition my hair, and I used the Texture ID line. And this line okay, y'all, don't mind my eyelashes because I know y'all see this one. Anyway, the shampoo, okay, you know, it's a shampoo. It says clarifying shampoo, so I mean, it cleaned my head. It felt all right, and it didn't feel like dry, like real dry, none of that. But you know how a conditioner is supposed to like replenish the dryness from the shampoo? This conditioner this was horrible. This conditioner, I don't know, maybe it's because no excuse, no. I'm trying to make an excuse, but no, this conditioner, but you know what saved that? The deep treatment mask. This mask I like, but you know what the problem is? It's not the same smell. Wait, hold on. Yeah. The shampoo and the conditioner does not smell like this mask at all. Like, this mask stinks. This mask smell like the what is it? The cream. I'm gonna just say the cream. And the mask smell just like stink, smell like Play-Doh. But that cream and this mask, love it. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. This is exactly what I'm thinking. I'm trying to try out this product, and I'm about to have a little haul again, so y'all stay tuned for that. I've been wanting to do a stretched out, some type of twist out, braid out, whatever. So I got this raw shea butter heatless curl stretch gel. It's from Shea Moisture. It's the raw shea butter line, and you know, we're just gonna try this out, you know. Okay, this is it feels like it's really creamy, and you know, we're just gonna have to see. I don't know, I just wanted some type of cream gel thing, whatever. Like, y'all, I really hope this don't revert too bad. I mean, I know products don't revert hair or whatever, but we're gonna see. So this, okay, well, I just washed that deep conditioner out. Y'all, I like this. Y'all, it applied great. My hair feeling great. I'm just ready to get this show on the road. Come on. So y'all, this is what I'm thinking. I'm about to use the Camilla Rosa Curl Up Moisture Milk. And okay, one section down, 3 more to go. In 2014, I cut it again 2016, and I cut it again last year. Okay, so I just put my hair in these 2 things. Don't ask me why I'm doing this a whole nother day. That's just how lazy I am. Okay. I think we good. Okay, so like I said, I'm be using the heatless curl stretch gel by Shea Moisture, the raw shea butter line. I mean, I ain't never seen no reviews on this. I don't even know, like, I didn't even know they had this until I went into Walmart. It smelled like every other raw shea butter line. They all smell the same. It's really creamy. I'm gonna braid my hair into we're gonna do 3 plaits. We are going to see. I don't know if I should put a little. I don't know if I should put a lot. How about we read? Apply to clean hair, condition. I remember why I don't like doing braid outs. This takes too long for me. I mean, but I'm a slow braider. I gotta use it. Just give me a minute. takes forever. I'm really over this. Okay, so y'all, this is the next day. I low-key wore a wig, but that wig was too tight, so I took it off. And now my hair is looking like this. My hair is still soft, you know. Normally people would take this out with oil, like I said. Normally people would. I'm not gonna do it because I feel like oil just makes my hair feel. But if you're the type of person that wants to add oil, you can add oil. But I'm not gonna add oil. Y'all, so I mean, I don't think braidouts are not my cup of tea. Like, I mean, let me do my edge. Okay, maybe y'all, but what I can tell you is that my hair is soft. Like, this curling stretch gel, I like this. I think next time I'll do it on a stretch twist out. But other than that, y'all, this is my end result. Most likely I'm not gonna do it again because I'm really not feeling braidouts. Anyways, y'all leave comments. Y'all let me know how y'all think about this, and don't forget to subscribe.